Ibadan, located in western Nigeria, is known as the country's second largest city and capital of Oyo State, following the 2006 Nigerian census, which showcases the population of Ibadan at 1,138,639 citizens residing in Ibadan, the home to the University of Ibadan. It is a leader in the nation's institutions. Of education, health, and economics. The dominant religions are Christianity, Islam, and others. However, following the update of the recent incident of the explosion that occurred on Tuesday, 16th January 2024, claiming the lives of 5 persons, while several were left injured, has facilitated the visit of His Excellency Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, who arrived at the scene and affected areas in Ibadan. Governor Seyi Makinde deeply expressed his displeasure and condolence messages to the family and loved ones of the deceased, with an emphatic statement that all parties involved in such act will surely face the full wrath of the law, while giving an order to the related security agencies to carry out robust investigation. Condoling with the families of those who lost their lives and properties to the explosion, Makinde further revealed that a total of 77 victims are so far receiving treatment, with an assurance that the Oyo State government would take care of their hospital bills. Above all, Governor Seyi Makinde urged residents and good people of Oyo State to always call 615 for any emergencies they may be experiencing at this critical time and remain calm with the assurance that normalcy will be restored as soon as possible. Above all, Governor Seyi Makinde urged residents and good people of Oyo State to always call 615 for any emergencies that they may be experiencing at this critical time and remain calm with the assurance that normalcy will be restored as soon as possible.